The United States feared Iran's nuclear weapon for decades. But what if Iran already had a weapon? Not a missile, but something far more powerful? For years, the US, Europe and Israel have been concerned about Iran developing nuclear weapons. At the center of that concern, uranium. Reports suggest Iran possesses around 440 kilograms of 60% enriched uranium. That's below the 90% needed for weaponization, but still enough to potentially produce 8 to 12 nuclear bombs. The fear has never been just about Iran. A nuclear-armed Tehran could trigger a chain reaction. Countries like Saudi Arabia, Egypt and Turkey might feel compelled to follow, leading to a nuclear arms race in one of the world's most critical regions. There's a deeper concern. What is it? There's also a deeper concern: control. A nuclear-capable Iran could shift the balance of power in West Asia. It could weaken Western influence in a region that connects Europe to Asia and supplies a significant share of the world's oil, gas and key resources. For decades, Iran faced sanctions and threats of war, and in that environment, nuclear weapons were seen as a form of protection. But recent developments suggest Iran may not have needed a nuclear deterrent at all. Iran's real power lies elsewhere: the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow waterway that handles nearly 20 to 25% of the world's seaborne oil and gas trade. When tanker traffic was disrupted, it revealed something critical. This choke point can influence global energy supply on a massive scale. In strategic terms, that makes the Strait of Hormuz a powerful tool, a lever that can impact economies far beyond the region, a geopolitical advantage without a single missile being fired. This changes the equation. It suggests that control over key geography can be as powerful as advanced weaponry. And going forward, the Strait of Hormuz may continue to shape the balance of power in West Asia long after conflicts end. Because in modern geopolitics, sometimes the most powerful weapon is not what you build, but what you control.